Yeah, I'm gonna take my time sitting down. God damn. I'm playing, guys. How you doing, man? It's your boy Huey, aka Huey with the chip, and I'd like to welcome you to episode numero uno of Outdoor Cooking with Huey. So this is a new series I developed. I'm coming along with Creative Taste, which starts January 27, 2020. So every week I'm gonna give you guys a video of me cooking something outrageous outside, something real ignorant. Just showing you guys, I love to cook, so I'm gonna have fun with it. First things first, like, subscribe if you haven't. Do it now. Do it now. Okay. And comment question of the day is, what temperature do you like your steak cooked to? It's between rare, medium, mid-well, and for you unholy savages, well done. So let me know, comment down below. If I haven't told you, hit me with a like, hit me with a comment, and subscribe. Okay, first things first, big shout outs to my sister Isabel. She got your boy a nice little camera setup, a nice camera, a lot of, something to help me get the ball rolling on this crazy adventure I'm on. So, big shout out to Isabel, all the fans in the back. Isabel. Okay, I'm not gonna hold you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this first episode. Give me some feedback. Remember, comment question of the day is, what temperature do you like your steak cooked to? And let's get it going. I don't really fuck with y'all anyways. Pull out some portobello mushrooms, baby ones. Slice them, Julian style. Slice them. You just have some yellow peppers. Love the colors of yellow peppers, especially when you put them with some red peppers. And you get your red tomato onion. Keep the root on the onion so it doesn't bleed. That root right there. Keep that on there. Then you're just gonna go down basic technique. I cubed these after. I didn't show it in the video, but I ended up cubing these. Alright, so these are New York strips. What I didn't show you guys is I put oil on my steak before I season it. You guys are really so liberal seasoning. Granulated garlic, granulated onions, some chili powder on it. Simple. You don't have to over season your steak. So let's get a little fire up. Gracefully. A little more oil. Chili powder. Paprika. Granulated onion. Granulated garlic. And you just want to toss it. Yeah, I'm coming. Okay, I tell you guys. All right, yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember, like, subscribe, comment below. I said subscribe. Thank you. Love you guys. Love.